Hello, grade 9. Today's lesson is Culture of the Mountains and the Sea. Geography shapes Greek life. Ancient Greece consisted mainly of a mountainous peninsula jutting out into the Mediterranean Sea. It also included about 2,000 islands in the Aegean and Ionian Sea. The region's physical geography directly shaped Greek traditions and costumes. The sea. The sea shaped Greek civilizations such as just as rivers shaped the ancient civilization of Egypt and Fertile Crescent, India and China. In one sense, the Greeks did not live on the land, but around the sea. The Aegean Sea and the Ionian Sea, the neighboring Black Sea, were important transportation routes or ways for the Greek people. As the Greeks became skilled sailors, sea travel connected Greece with other societies. The land, rugged mountains covered about three-fourths of the ancient Greece. The chains ran mainly from northwest to the southeast along the Balkan Peninsula. Mountains divided the land into a number of different regions. Much of the land itself was stony, and only a small part of it was suitable for farming. Tiny but fertile valleys covered about one-fourth of Greece. With so little fertile farmland or fresh water from irrigation, irrigation means to move the water from the river into the land. Greece was never able to support a large population. The climate at that time. The climate was the third important environmental influence on Greek civilization. Greece has a varied climate with a temperature averaging between 48 degrees Fahrenheit in the winter and 80 degrees Fahrenheit in summer. Let's see the Mycenaean civilization developed. A large wave of Indo-Europeans migrated from the Erogean steppes to Europe. India and Southwest Asia. Some of the people who settled in Greek mainland were later known as the Mycenaeans. The name came from their leading city, which is Mycenae. The Mycenae was mainly located in southern Greece. Through either trade or war, the Mycenaeans came into contact with the Ionian civilization. So after that, from their contact with the Monian, the Mycenaeans saw the value of seaborne trade. The Mycenaean adapted the Manian's writing system to the Greek language and decorated vases with the Manian designs. The Greek told many stories about how the actions of gods and goddesses affected the lives of people. These stories are called myth. So myth, it means like it's not true, it's not truth. It's not a true thing. The Greek Dark Age. Ancient Greece had entered into an uncertain time that some historians call the Dark Age. Trade between the Greeks and other places stopped, and the Greeks abandoned their places and cities. Many of the cultural achievements that made by the Manians and the Mycenaean were lost. That's it. Thank you so much, grade 9, for listening.